you're wondering how to turn this scene into this and this, wait, one more, this. Keep watching. Hey everyone, so I got something in the mail today. I believe more things for me to review. So let's do it up right here. Hey everyone, this is Gilson Vergara, back again with another video, and today is pretty exciting. I've been waiting for this to come in. I am going to be reviewing the Neewer 2-pack LED lights with stands. I didn't expect this thing to be so small, but it's let's see what happens. I'm just going to open it here and see what is in the box. What do we get? The colored covers for the lights. One light. 2 light USB powered LEDs, as you can see. So you're gonna have to put a power brick on this, and I guess this is the on and off right here. You get a manual, more reading material, and you get the stands and where you mount them. Great thing about these is that they swivel, as you can see right there. I'm really excited about the adaptability, functionality, and the just what you can do with this unit. The model number is ZC-10S. I'm going to put the links down below for you to just look at it if you like it. I'm going to test them out. For the price, I don't think you can go wrong. The output power is 10 watts. There are 66 LEDs on these lights right here. They should be pretty bright. They light up at 5600 Kelvin, and they dim about from 10 to 100%, so 100 all the way to 10%. And as I said before, they are USB powered, so you need to use an existing power brick, or if you want it super portable, the portable chargers, which is going to be amazing. If you can get something solar or anything like that, I think you're going to do very, very well. So let's check out the stands first. Let me put them together. And allegedly, this thing can stretch out up to like close to 3 to 4 feet. Let's check it out. This is a stand, a tripod stand. It is plastic. It is pretty durable. The stand itself is plastic, just to let you guys know. It's not metal, it is plastic. Oh, it's pretty cool. It comes with a GoPro style setup right here. And this completely come off. Let's see. This is the base to it. So as you can see, this stretches to, I'm gonna measure and everything. I believe this can be also used as a selfie stick. So dual purpose. This stretches up to, I would suggest buying a backup set, like it's really durable. But if you're gonna just deal with these, as you can see, it has channels here. I don't know if you can see that really closely. There's a channel there, and once you pull it out, pull it all the way out, there it is. So it says right, I don't know if you can see that right there. It says pull and turn right to lock. So I'm gonna turn it right, and that's a lock right there. So let's put this together here. Now, what can I say for the unit itself? It does come with the white piece right now. It is plastic. It is plastic. These are probably built better for just being at home. You get what you pay for, right? You get what you pay for. My intention for purchasing this was to have some house lights. You know, just have to have something in the room to give me better lighting for just a better experience for you guys. This is what you get right here. I'm sorry for the lighting right now if it's not good enough, but these are, you're talking about right there, about 41 inches right there, and then the lights. I'm going to hook them up, turn them on, and see what these babies can really do. I'm going to be setting up this chair, my wife's chair, right here, and right there, and I'm going to turn off the lights right now. I'll go pure dark. I'll show you how the output of these lights. Ooh, it is pretty dark. That is the lights at 100% right now, I believe. Let's try to play with this. This is all at 100 right now. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. And I believe that's the lowest setting. That might be the lowest setting. I could be wrong. That is the lowest setting right there. So let's bring it up again. You can see on both sides right there. So I know there's a lot of shadowing here, right? There's a lot of shadowing here. The lights are about 4 feet away from me. I'm gonna get closer and get you the, let's say for instance, for like a vlogger's point of view, or like if you were doing actual scene where you needed a good lighting. So let me get closer. It is very, very bright. Don't mind the shadowing here, but as you can see, I'm getting pretty lit up, pretty nice. I don't really see too much noise on the camera. It's lighting me up pretty nice. So if it is not high enough for me, I would have to have it a bit up here more. This is like literally at my face, so it does provide the good lighting. I don't really see any noise around. As you can see, the shadows has just gotten a little bit softer, a little bit better from my point of view. I don't know about you. I'm gonna drop it to like I think 50%, and then drop it to, because you don't really see a big variation from 60, from 90 to like say 50. So I'm gonna drop it to 50 and see what you guys think. So this is about 50% right now. Tell me what you guys think. This might work in a better setting. It's a bit smoother. For me, it's like it's not as harsh, and it does still give me the adequate light that I need to do a video in the dark or anything like that. Tell me what you guys think. Let me take it down to 10, where you should see a lot more noise. This is at its lowest setting. From what I see from the camera now, there is a lot of noise. I do see a lot of noise, and it's a lot of noise. This is more like, if like I can say, like more of a night camera when you film at night, and you know certain cameras, they look have this look right now that I'm looking at. Let's bring it up to 100 and let's use the filters. Now, just for kicks, I'm going to like turn on this light right here. My wife's vanity. Let me see what happens, dude. Oh, should be very interesting. Oh, don't mind our little room. We're trying to save money here. But as you see, this side, literally no more shadows. Way better. That helped a lot. This has more of a light thing here. I'm sorry if I'm not looking at you guys. Let's put on the different types of filters on here, and tell me what you guys think. Okay, damn, I'm freaking blinded, dude. Now, I don't know what you see here. It should be pretty blue right now. It looks like I'm probably in the ocean somewhere, right? It looks like I'm in the ocean right here. But this is blue right here. How blue is it? How do you like it? Comment down below what you guys. This is yellow. As you can see, it's pretty yellow. Pretty yellow. This is more for like mood lighting, I guess. Now, it's just it must look like I'm in a red room right now. I'm developing some film. Now, this is definitely something you can do. If you are going to be into movies or any scene, you want to seem as if you're doing a photography scene, a red room scene. Pretty cool. If you think like me, if I mix blue and yellow, will green come out? Let's try. Moment of truth. Okay. I think we got it. Yes. I mixed the yellow and the blue. I don't know if it's customizable. Blue and red. I think that's like purple violet, right? Let's try it out, dude. Woohoo! Oh. 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 Now, it got really dark. It does, for me, it looks purple. I don't know about you guys. What do you guys think? Has a purple look? And not as good as a green, I don't think so. Does it make brown? Does it make brown? Let's mix this up a little bit one more time. Let's put all three of them in there. So I was crazy to mix everything. It's pretty dark. I don't know what to tell you, but this fun experiment. To close it out, to close out the video, what I think about these lights, these are pretty much, they're really good budget lighting. They're not the best as in durability wise, I don't think so. But for the budget, the link's going to be down below. I think they're one of the best. I wouldn't trust them to go outside. The stands are pretty flimsy. I don't really think it's going to last, to be honest with you. But you get what you pay for. That's my disclaimer to you guys. If you are going to pick this up, you get what you pay for. I have them posted up right here to give me a better the 45-degree angle look. And that's what I intended it to do anyway. So even if I turn off this ring light right here, this is the lighting you get. A bit dramatic. I have some shadowing here. That's what I wanted to use them for. Pretty much just lights up here. So when I do live, when I go on my live cast or anything like that, I look decent. For those of you guys who are looking for a solution, affordable solution for your vlogs, for your live cast and all that stuff, because it can get pretty expensive after a while, these are a great alternative, I have to say. Once again, my name is Gilson Vergara, and I appreciate your time all the time. If you like this review, just beat the crap out of that like. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for the channel hitting over 1 million views. Very, very, very grateful. And take care. God bless. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.